Hi guys, good morning all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone guys, can you please confirm? Is I'm audible guys? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Right. So guys, like in the last session, we started with some the introduction regarding the Power BI. We have been started with them. So initially we have studied about like what is data visualization and what is need of a data visualization. What are the different ways we can do the data visualization also we covered about that. So if anyone joined for the today's class guys, so don't worry because just we have started with the very basic level implementation. It's not an implementation also, just a very basic level we have started with them, and it's on a very basic level. So like we have discussed about so what is need of data visualization and all these things, and you will get the recorded videos also in the case if you missed the session, the last two classes, I think three classes I have taken, I think so guys. What are the days? Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, I think so. I have taken three classes. I have taken Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. From Friday I given the off for the Dasra holidays. If anyone has joined for the today's class, so don't worry, it's only just a matter of only a very basic levels only we started with them. Okay. So once again, guys, in the last session, we covered like what is the mainly, that means how basically we have to perform those particular operations. So like what is the exactly we are going to do as part of this application. So we discussed in the last session further. So quickly, whenever I discuss about this option quickly, so in last class we covered about that, guys. So what is the life cycle? So it's a simple. First of all, what we have to do is the first thing we have to do is we have to import the data first of all. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah. So the first thing is we have to just import the data. Once again, quickly, I'll say that whenever you want to do any data visualization, how do you do it, guys? Import the data and then we have to transform the data. So import and which is going to be transform the data. That is first thing we have to do. And then second thing is going to be according to the report requirement, we have to create our data model. Data modeling means defining of relationship, creating of calculated measures, calculated attributes, and all these things we have to define. And then we have to create the reports, guys. And then after creating the reports, we have to simply, the fourth step is going to be we have to publish. Publishing is nothing but we are delivering the reports, or we simply say that it is going to be deploy the reports. So I'll tell you like simple just to make you understand that like what is meaning of deployment and all these things. Just a quick understanding I'll tell you guys. We'll understand them in the coming sessions. We'll understand them. So for the timing, just skip it. We'll discuss about all these applications. We'll have a look into that. Okay. So now the next option is going to be nothing but guys, how to work with Power BI now. So we know that there are different types of data visualization tools are there. Among that, the most popularly is used is Power BI. So before Power BI, that means Power BI was basically developed by Microsoft. It was developed by Microsoft. But earlier, Microsoft is already having one of the reporting tool that is called as SSRS, which we simply call it as a SQL Server Reporting Services, what we used to call it as. So there is a tool already. Microsoft is already having a reporting tool, guys. It is from the year 2005 to which is going to be 2012. I can say that. And Power BI has been started from the year 2013 to till date. So currently we are using the third generation reporting tool, guys. Mainly SSRS supports business intelligence. Okay. Power BI. What is BI stands for, guys? Business intelligence. So mainly for supporting of business intelligence activities, we discuss. So what is the business intelligence? We'll discuss it later, guys. I'll also discuss about some part of BI also. So completely not only on Power BI, we also discuss about BI, what is SSRS, and what is going to be a skill. So we also not only just Power BI. We'll discuss about what is BI architecture. Just two or three classes I'll take them. And SQL Server, I'll take somewhere around 4 or 5 classes I'll take for SQL Server. That is sufficient, guys. I'll give you the remaining materials and you can understand them. And apart from that, a little bit about SSRS also, one session on SSRS. All these things, whenever I require, I'll discuss about all those particular concepts. I'll discuss about this, guys. And after that, okay, so we are going to study about the Power BI, guys. So, okay, we want to work with Power BI. So, what are the different ways we can work with Power BI? There are 3 different ways to work with the Power BI, guys. So, Power BI is available in 3 different types of options that is available, guys. So, what are the options? Why do you require the 3 options? The first one is nothing but what we are going to call it as a Power BI desktop. So the first software which we are going to be using is the Power BI, which is going to be what we are going to call it as a Power BI desktop. So what is this Power BI desktop, guys? The name itself is saying that it is Power BI desktop. So this software is basically, it is compatible for, which is going to be for mobile, for which is going to be your machines. That means your, what we can say that for your desktops and which is going to be laptop machines. For desktops and laptops, so this is going to be what we are going to be using. The Power BI desktop is a software, what we have to use it, guys. Mainly Power BI desktop is it is the main designer tool, guys. It is the main designer tool. So whenever you want to design any report from the Power BI with the help of the Power BI, so we have to use this Power BI desktop, the main designer tool. Why I'm saying that main designer tool? The main designing is going to be done completely with the help of the Power BI desktop only. We are going to use them, guys. So it is a main designing tool. So from here, what we can do, guys, we can do all these applications, guys. All these applications. Importing of data and transforming, we can do it in Power BI. Data modeling, we can do it in Power BI desktop. Creating of reports, we are going to do it in Power BI desktop. Publishing of reports also going to be done from the Power BI desktop. All these activities can be performed in the Power BI desktop, guys. So what we can do, guys, we can go for something called as a designing of reports, and which is going to be designing and customization. Everything, guys, designing and customization of the visuals and reports can be completely done with the help of the Power BI desktop. So mainly you guys need to be an expertise in this Power BI desktop, guys. Then the second platform is going to be nothing but we are going to call it as a Power BI service. What we call it as, guys, a Power BI service, guys. So what we have to do, guys, if you want to get Power BI desktop in your system, what we have to do, guys, we have to download and we have to install it. So we have to download, guys. Directly we have to go to Microsoft website, and from there we have to download and install it, guys. It's a free software, guys. This is going to be a free software. So designing and all these things can be done very easily. With a free software, we can download and we can install it, and then we can work with them. Okay. Next, what is Power BI service, guys? Power BI service is not an desktop application. That means no downloading and all these things will not be done. Then how do you access, guys? It is a nothing but it's a cloud-based platform, guys. It's nothing but Power BI service is a cloud-based platform. Generally, how do you access your cloud applications, guys? Cloud applications, we don't install them. Directly, we'll open your web browser. There is an URL will be there for the cloud service. We have to access it. It's a cloud-based, which is going to be a Power BI service. It's a cloud-based Power BI, guys. Power BI service is nothing but it's a cloud-based. So how to access it, guys? You no need to install it, guys. You have to open your web browser and say app.powerbi.com. You have to go to this website, guys. If anybody is working on the right now on the system, you can open your browser and type this app.powerbi.com, guys. And can you let me know, guys, what is happening? That means what screen you are asking, or what screen it is opening, or what it is asking for you. So can you just, anyone, can you open your browser and just say app.powerbi.com and let me know, guys, what is happening there? Anyone? Anyone, guys? Anyone is doing? Just open your browser, guys. Open your browser and type app.powerbi.com. No one? Yes, anyone is trying it, guys? No one is trying. Okay. So I'll show you which is going to be app.powerbi.com. In my system, already login is done. That means I already logged in. So that's why what it is going to do is it won't ask me anything. So here it is going to be directly, it will connect to my Power BI service. Directly it will be gets connected here, guys. Okay. But in our system, it is not like that. It is going to be a different, which is going to be what we can see this. It is going to be something like a differently we can see that. Okay. Right now it is not accessing that. Once again, I'll access. Just a minute.
So, sir, in
Hmm.
my browser, it is showing us to sign in email.
Yes, absolutely, guys. So it is going to be, it will ask you the sign in. Why? Because you require one account, we have to require it. Okay. How to create an account and all these things, I'll tell you. So Power BI desktop, it is going to be same accessible, guys. Same thing you can download and you can work with them. We don't have a problem with the Power BI desktop. But coming to the Power BI service only, that will be something different. It is going to take place here, guys. It is going to be something, it is going to be different. So it will ask you the account, some user, some email ID and all these things it will ask you. So we have to require one account is going to be required. Okay, but here it is a not a main designer tool. You can do the designing, but it is not recommended. So what is the main purpose of Power BI services? As I said that you have to publish and deploy the reports, right? So as I said that in Power BI desktop, you will import the data, we'll do the data modeling, we'll create the reports, we'll publish them. Then where it is going to be publishes, where it is going to be does this publishing. The publishing is going to be done into the Power BI service, guys. So the complete management, I can say that like an administrative tool, guys. So completely what we can do is from Power BI service, what we'll do is we don't design the reports, guys. We completely managing and administration or admin. So it is going to be the administrating. So who has to get the access, who should not get the access, security, okay, a kind of scheduling and scheduling of reports, okay, delivering of that particular reports. All these things we are going to do as part of this particular Power BI service, guys. Managing and administration of whatever the reports that has been got deployed. And here only we have to create. Here only we can do the creating of dashboards. We'll create the visuals by using Power BI desktop. Using that Power BI desktop visuals, creating of dashboards and apps and all these things, we are going to do dashboards and apps and all these things. We are going to be doing with the help of the Power BI service, what we are going to do, guys. It is like an administrative tool, guys. Whatever the reports we created in the Power BI desktop, all these things, administration, management, everything is done by using Power BI service. Simple, I'll tell you. There is a Power BI desktop was there. So let us say that in my company, there are multiple developers are there. So they are developing the reports by using Power BI desktop. So using the Power BI desktop, somebody designed the reports. Another Power BI desktop, another reports has been got developed. So multiple people in works, guys, right? Multiple people works in the companies. It's not a single person has to work. Now, how the reports are all these things? He created some visuals, he created some visuals, he created some visuals. Then how do you collaborate all of them? How can you just collaborate all of them? It is a common platform called as it is going to be Power BI service, guys. See, that's simple to make you understand. So Power BI desktop, for example, he is the designer one. He deploys the report into Power BI service. He deploys the reports into Power BI service. He deploys the reports into the Power BI service. So for Power BI service, for every account, there will not be one service will be there, guys. For all of them, there is only one service will be available. Got the point? In your enterprise, for all of them, in every system, there is a Power BI desktop is there. It's a cloud-based no, guys. It is not runs in a local system. It is going to be runs in the cloud, in a remote location. So everyone will be connecting to this particular Power BI service. And from that particular Power BI service, they are going to deliver all the reports and all these things. We are going to deliver the report here. From here, we are going to deliver the report. The end user is going to access them, guys. See there? So here it is going to be designing, guys. Here it is going to be designing. And here we are going to do the managing. So who has to access the report? Who can access the reports? Okay, how can you schedule that particular reports? Creating of dashboards, creating of apps. All these things will be done from here only. From here, the reports will be delivered to the end user. So my client is there. So how I'm going to send my report to the client? I don't give in, guys. I don't give the Power BI file. Power BI file will have an extension, guys, .pbi. It is going to be .pbix file. I don't give the .pbix file to the end user, guys. isn't it? So what I will do, I'm going to give this particular report to the Power BI service. I'll deploy them. From there, it is going to be delivered to that particular end user. Then how the end user is going to access the report, guys? How the end user can access the report? As a designer or a developer, I'll design from here, guys. As an administrator, I'm going to manage here now. From here, I'm going to deliver the report. Then how the end user access the reports? End user does not requires any Power BI desktop, or it do not require to log into Power BI service. What he has to do is directly there is another product called as, which is going to be a Power BI, what we are going to call it as a mobile edition is there. It's a Power BI mobile, guys. What is a Power BI mobile, guys? Power BI mobile is basically for not compatible for desktops. It is basically for which is going to be tabs and mobiles, guys. From tabs and mobiles, we can use, this is going to be the Power BI mobile is what we are going to use it. So you know that, right? It is a mobile application. Being it is a mobile application, from where you have to download also, we can do it, guys. So all of you guys, just like quickly I asked you to access the Power BI service, same as it is, open your mobiles, guys. All of you, open your mobiles, guys. Just anyhow, later also you can do that. Just it won't take that much time, guys. So open your mobiles and go to your app store. Whether it is an Apple, if you are using iPhones, you are going to App Store, or if you go to if you are using Androids, go to the Google Play Store, guys. So go there and check again. You can check, guys. There you can search for a particular app called as an Power BI. So check for the Power BI, guys. There is from Microsoft will be there. So open that particular Power BI from Microsoft. Microsoft Power BI, that is application name, guys. So install it, guys. Anyone is doing the installation, guys? So all of you can install it, guys. Okay, install it and open it and let me know, guys, if anybody has done the installation. So quickly download, install it and open it, guys. Okay. So for what purpose this Power BI mobile is used, guys? From tabs and mobiles, no designing can be done, guys. No management can be done. End user is going to access the reports with the help of the Power BI mobile. Even you can access it by using Power BI service also. But generally for end user, we don't give them, guys. We'll give only directly with the Power BI mobile. Or we also give a service account also will be given. He will access with the help of the Power BI service also will access it. But mainly the clients and the end users, directly they can view the reports with the help of the Power BI mobile, guys. So for tabs and mobiles, we have to install it from the Play Store or the App Store, whatever you want. What we can use in, guys, you can only view the published reports. That means whatever the reports that has been published to the Power BI service, you can't directly access the Power BI desktop application, guys. So designer will design the reports with the help of the Power BI desktop, publish them to the Power BI service. The admin or the management, what they will do is they will schedule the reports, they will administrate, they will security and all these things, and they will deliver the reports. End users can access the reports with the help of the Power BI mobile. Yes, directly you can access with the Power BI mobile. You may get a doubt, sir. If, for example, if my manager wants to go to a meeting and he want to access in my desktop, then what he can do, guys? From Power BI mobile, he can do whatever he want, guys. So once if I given the Power BI mobile, directly if I given the report to the Power BI mobile, just what he can do is he can send it through an attachment to an email. He can send it to the attachment as an email, or he can send it as an attachment to the WhatsApp, etc. He can deliver that particular, he can share that particular reports across multiple the different types of medias, and he can access the reports wherever he want to access it. Got the point, guys? So like this, whatever the applications we require, from end to end, we can manage them, guys. From end to end, we can manage them. So starting from the designing of the reports with the help of the Power BI desktop, and after that deploying the report and publishing the reports with the help of the Power BI service, and after that it is going to be can be accessible with the help of the Power BI mobile. So we'll see from end to end all the services, guys. So anyone has downloaded and installed the Power BI mobile? Anyone? And can you let me know if you open the application what it is asking? No one?
Yeah, it asking for login.
Again, it will ask you for the login. So what you understood now? If you want to access your Power BI through which one is going to be requires accounts, guys? Power BI desktop does not requires any account, but designing up to designing you can do that, but publishing we can't do that from the Power BI desktop. Compulsory we should require an account. And once if you want to deploy the reports, all that complete management administration will be done by Power BI service. Power BI service requires an account. And whenever the end user want to access the reports with the help of the Power BI mobile also, we require one account is going to be required. So later I'll tell you how to create a Power BI service account. And after creating that particular account, you can access your Power BI service, you can access your Power BI mobiles. So this you will access it from your mobile. This you can access it from your web browser. Maybe it can be a Google Chrome or a Firefox or a Microsoft Edge, whatever the browser you use, it does not matter. So which one you have to download and install it, guys? Only the Power BI desktop is the only software which you have to download and we have to install it, guys. Apart from that, nothing is there. Okay, so the download and installation is very easy. So anybody can download and install this software, guys. Anyone can download and install. Simple. It is going to be go for simply you can download multiple ways, guys. Directly go to the Google and say download Power BI. That's it, guys. This Power BI, Microsoft will releases updates almost all once in every month. They will releases an update, guys. So that's why every 1 month you have to update them. For every 1 month, we have to update them, guys. So see there, for example, this update you can see, guys. It is going to be 10/8/2024. It may not be a major. Generally, updates will be released somewhere around 20th. The main updates will be released somewhere around 20th of around some 20th of every month. This may be a small minor, it's going to be minor update only. Maybe some bugs and all these things will come, right? So due to that. Can you see here, guys? Once you can see here, get the data using Power BI desktop, what you can do. Sorry, guys. With Power BI desktop, you can get the data. You can create a relationship and enrich your data model with new measures and data formats, create your reports, save your reports, and upload or publish the reports. You can upload the reports you created and saved in the desktop to your Power BI site. You can also publish them to the Power BI right from directly from the Power BI desktop only. We can do it, guys. So download this one, guys. So there are two versions are there. One is a 32-bit, one is a 64-bit. So majority of our operating systems are 64-bit only, guys. So Power BI desktop setup, click on the download, guys. Power BI desktop and just click on the download, guys. So somewhere around 500 MB file was there, 527 MB file. So it will download and install it, guys. You have to download this, and after that we have to do the installation. Installation is a very easy one, guys. Microsoft products are very easy to install. You don't have any that much configurations and all these things not required. See there, it is going to be Power BI desktop. What I'm going to show you the application once. Just give me a second. So October update was released. So it is showing it as a 10/8/2024. You can see that it is going to be. Okay. Next, what we have to do, guys? Just we have to install it. Nothing to do. Already I'm having Power BI desktop is already there in my system. So let me, which is going to be install it once again. Installation is very easy, guys. Anybody can do that particular installation. So let me do that, which is going to be downloads and Power BI desktop. You can see there, and just I'll go for which is going to be next process only, guys. Nothing to do, guys. Everything is going to be next process only. What we can do that. Yes, you can see there. So this is going to be this is going to be the option called as and which is going to be next option. Just nothing to do. Everything is going to be the one what we can see. It's very simple, guys. Just click on everything is next option. And being it is my already in my system, it is already there. So it will try to update them. So it will take some time, guys. Fresh installation will be very faster. Just a minute. It's taking some time.
Sir,
Yes, yeah.
can we also install Power BI now?
Can you install the? Okay, you want to
Yeah.
install in your systems? Yes, you can
Yeah.
download and you can install them. This you
Okay.
can do that, but this will take a little bit, few minutes it will take it. So that's why I said that I didn't ask you to. Those you can install Power BI mobile is very easy. Power BI service
Okay.
you have to open from your browser. This will takes a little bit time. So yes, you can also download and you can install it.
Okay.
Okay. Just click on the next, guys. Accept the license agreement. Everything is next only, guys. Nothing to do. So nothing happens here now. Just click on install, guys. That's it. Over. Just 2 3 steps only it will be there, guys. Apart from nothing is there. Everything is blindly. You can just click on next and do the installation, guys. So it takes in my system, it will takes a few minutes of time. Why? Because already existing Power BI is already there in my system. So it has to remove the old files, copy the new files, install the new files, remove that. So all these things will take place, right? So it will take some time, guys. Otherwise, it would be very easy here now. Everyone, you can now download and you can install it. If anybody wants the link also, guys, I'll give the link also in the chat window. So just nothing is there. Go to the online, guys. Search for download, just for download Power BI. Link will come. Directly you can go to the link and you can install it, guys. That's it. Just I search it for download Power BI. So this is a site, guys. I very frequently often, so that's why it is showing you visit often. So very frequently I'll download it because every batch I'll click from the same link only, guys. So just click on the link and this is going to be the one what we can see there. So it is going to be the October update was there, 10/8/2024. Maybe it is not the main update, guys. It's not a main update. It is maybe a patch update, maybe there. So we don't know. We'll see them. We'll see after installation. We'll see, guys, which version has been got installed. Remove files. It's removing my old files because my old files were already. It's there.
Sir, can I ask
Yes.
you a quick
Yes.
question?
Yes.
So very recently I have transformed from a Windows laptop to Mac OS.
Okay.
So as a Power BI being
Does not
a
supports Mac.
Microsoft, yes,
It
sir.
does not supports
So
the Mac. Okay.
any best option possible way to use it?
There is an option is there, but we recommend to have which is going to be as a
Windows.
Windows is a better option. Okay, even
Okay.
you can also see you can install VMware and all these things. We have to do that, but
Okay.
we highly recommend saying that if Windows laptop is available with you, you better to work with the Windows laptop.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
the case if Windows laptop is there with you, in
Yeah, I
the
have. I
you
have
have it,
Windows
then
lap.
better to choose that
It's just
option.
that
Better.
it is very slow. Yeah.
No problem. Only for these applications, right? So it won't be that much performance issue may not come. So you can work
Okay.
with them. So in that case, that means we don't have the option of Windows. I have to work with only with the Mac means. Again, you have to install the VMwares. We have to install, set up a Windows operating system, and then you have to install it.
Okay.
It
Okay,
won't
sir.
support
Thank
for
you.
Mac and Linux systems. It won't support.
Okay, I understand. Sure,
Okay.
I'll try to
Fine.
use my Windows.
You
Yeah.
try to use it. If the case, if we have any issue with that and you say that unable to work with them, then I will just make you to set up the VMware on your Mac and you can work with the Mac systems.
Yes,
But
sir.
it is
Thank
again
you
a
so much.
virtual machine only. Again, you have to work with Windows only. On Mac,
Yeah, yeah,
we
yeah.
can't install it. Install VMware and you have to work with them.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
fine. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So you can see, guys, it is removing my backup files, my old files, it is getting removing. Done. Finish, guys. So the installation was done. So once the installation was done on my desktop, you can see on your desktop also, guys, you can see something like what we can see is a Power BI, which is going to be a desktop. What we can see, the icon was created. You can work with this application, guys. Okay. So very easy and very simple to work with them, guys. Just double click on that because it is a desktop application. So just double click on that. So it will just open and launches the Microsoft, which is going to be the Power BI. It is going to be gets installed, guys. Right. So we can see this is going to be the one which we can see. This is a home screen, guys. It is going to be nothing but what we can call it as the home screen is going to be gets installs. And I think nothing to do. Even if first time you are working, you know what to do with this. Simply the first option is going to be blank report. Okay. So just click on the blank report, guys. It will open this particular Power BI desktop. This is how your screen is going to looks like this, guys. So before that means just before starting working with that, the first thing we have to verify is what is the current version of Power BI currently we are using. That is what we can see with this an application, guys. See there, go to the help option. There is an help menu was there. In that we have an option called as an update, sorry, about. See what version of Power BI you are using and get some session information. So this is going to be what we can see, guys. So as I said that now, guys, it is the current update is not yet updated. That means October update was not yet released. There is an update has been released. Maybe it is due to some recent if some kind of a patching has been got done. That's why it is still showing September only. Don't worry. Don't look at this one, guys. Look at this one. Basically 2.136.1478. So check this version here, guys. Check this version. How do you verify here now? Go back, download Power BI service, download Power BI, said that right? Go there and just check with this particular version update, guys. 2.136.1478. 2.136.1478, guys. 64-bit, still it is September update only. October update generally releases in and around 20th it will releases, guys. In and around 20th it will release. It was not yet released. Again, in October update when it released, again you have to download and again you have to install it, guys. Okay, again you have to download and again we have to install it. That's why no need to worry about this one. So only check with this particular version 2.136.1478.0. 2.136.1478.0 is what we can see, guys. That is one what we have to verify that. Whether it is September update, October updates, don't try to do that. But generally, when, as I said that note, in and around 20th, there will be release, guys. There will be one October release will be there. Whenever there is an October release was there, again, when you download and install the same Power BI software, it will show you it as an October 2024. It will clearly show you, guys, October 2024. Where to verify is, guys? Here. Once you open the Power BI desktop, there is an help menu is there or help ribbon is there. Inside that, there is a button called as an about. Just click on that about, guys. It will show you what is going to be the one what we can see. That version is what we can see. Some user ID, session ID and all these things what we can see. And just you can close it, guys. Does not matter. So this is how basically we can work with this one what we can see within application, guys. Can you see there? That's it, guys. This is the environment what we are going to be gets working with them. So slowly we'll understand the environment. Slowly we'll understand them. Nothing to worry about that. So clearly this means I'm just giving an idea, guys. Later we'll see one by one in details. We'll see them, guys. So just if you can see here, guys, nothing is there, guys. On the left hand side, there are 4 buttons are there. They are called as views. This is nothing but report view, guys, table view, and this is going to be model view and a DAX query view. There are 4 buttons are there. This is report view, guys. Just click there. It is going to be a different environment is coming, guys. Anyhow, just for the small timing, nothing to do. Just we'll see that later. Report view, guys. Mainly we have to design the reports here only. That is what we call it as report view. This is table view. You can view the data, what that is imported. Right now, there is no data we imported, guys. That's why if you can see, you have not loaded any data yet. Get the data. You have to get the data, guys. This is model view. Model means the structures, whatever the table structures and all these things we can see here, guys. And this is a DAX query view. So this is nothing but easily you can remember, guys. Report view, table view, model view, DAX query view. On the right hand side, whatever we can see there, they are called as pane. This is a filters pane, guys. No need to by heart anything, guys. Slowly, if you start working with them, easily we can remember the names. Filters pane, see there? When I put a pointer there, collapse or expand. Collapse or expand the filters pane while editing. This also determines how report readers will see it. Filters pane, visualizations pane, data pane. So later we'll discuss about filters pane. Whenever you want to apply any filters to your data, that particular report. For example, when I created the report, it is showing the sales from let us say that starting from 2010 to 2024 or 2023. But I don't want all the reports, guys. All the years data I don't require. Starting from 2020 to 2023, only that 4 years data only we want to see them. Then we have to filter the data. And what visuals we can create? All the visuals that you can create here is here, guys. These are the build visual. Can you see that? Visualizations, which is going to be nothing but build visual. So here, what visuals we want to create it? With the help of these visuals only, we have to use it, guys. These are your visuals, guys. Everything with the help of the mouse only, we are going to work with them. Nothing we are going to use them, guys. Only with the help of the mouse. Only with the help of the mouse only we are going to work with them. Maximum we don't use a keyboard at all. Keyboard is only for just like renaming, only for those things only we use as. Maximum designing will be done with the help of this particular so-called as an. With the help of mouse only we have to use it, guys. That's it. And this is your data. What data that you have imported, that particular data you can see, because whenever I want to design a report, so what the report contains. For example, take this report. So what is on x-axis you require? What is on y-axis you require? You have to add up the fields. If you have the data here, we'll drag it and drop it here, guys. So which value on x-axis, which value on y-axis? We'll discuss about those applications later, guys. That's it, guys. And at the bottom, we are having two different types of views. It is also views only. How your report looks in a desktop. That one you can see desktop layout view. How your report looks like in a mobile. It's a mobile layout view. In a mobile, how your report is going to looks like. When you view a report in a mobile, how it looks. Whenever you view it in desktop, that means whenever you are using through the web browser, how the report is going to looks like. It will show you here now. Maximum will use desktop view only. How it is going to be viewed in the mobile also, we'll see that applications later. That's it, guys. So left hand side, right hand side, at the bottom, two options. And at the top, we have a different types of ribbons. These are all called as ribbons, guys. Home ribbon, insert ribbon, modeling ribbon, view ribbon, optimize, okay, help. These are all going to be different type of ribbons, what we can see. Each ribbon is having a different types of options are there. So how to learn Power BI, guys? No need to learn any program. Where to start writing your code, no need to write it. Okay, no need to write any coding and all these things we need not to do, guys. Simply what we can do, guys. If I click here, what happens? Or what is the option I have to use whenever I want to work on this? Like this, just simply what we have to do is, guys, simply you have to work with this kind of a techniques, we have to work with them. Apart from that, nothing is going to be required, guys. Just we have to study like what it is going to do. If you know that, that is going to be sufficient, guys. Beyond that, it is not going to be required at all. Just a simple and which is going to be easily we can work with the way which we are going to be working. You have to learn these options only, guys. You have to just understand these options only. If I click here, what happens? Or what is the purpose of this option? If I click here, if I want to do this, what operation I have to do? Just if you know that, that is going to be sufficient, guys. No need to just work with the different types of applications. We need not to work with them. That's it. Very easy and very simply we can work with this kind of a technique, what we have to work with them. Apart from that, nothing is going to be there in the concept here, guys. Nothing is going to be there in the concept. Simple and easily we can work with them. And that is how we have to work with that. Apart from that, nothing is there, right? So that's it, guys. That is going to be all about this so-called as the environment. Slowly, we'll understand them. It's not that mandatory. First of all, we have to understand them. Slowly, we are going to understand those particular applications. And we'll see how it is going to be works in our coming classes. We'll see that application later, guys. Okay. So this is going to be the one which we can see. And that is going to be how we have to work with them. And apart from that, remaining is going to be the same as it is, guys. That's it, guys. Okay, so I'm not saving this because in coming days we are going to save that application. That's it, guys. So this is the way which we have to download, and just we have to install this particular the Power BI software. So downloading is very easy, guys. No need of any there is no need of any complications here, because anybody can install it, guys. So without having anything, just we can download and you can install them, and that is going to be how we have to work with them. I shown you, right? So how to install it, and just we have to work with those particular applications. So try to work on them. Easily we can work with them. So nothing matters about that, and we can handle this application, guys. Okay. So hope all of you can download and can install it, guys. So that's it. That is going to be how we have to basically work with them. So remaining is going to be nothing but very easy, and simply we can work with them, guys. Okay. So try to install them, guys. So in the next session, I'm going to start with some basic operations like how to start importing the data, and all these things will work for a couple of days. And then we'll start with the implementation, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here. And tomorrow I'll start with some basic operations. I'll start it in the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. Anyone, guys, any doubts? Any doubts for the today's class, guys? Anyone? Anyone, if you have any doubts, any questions?
Sir,
Yes.
my name is Satish.
Hey, Satish.
So
Yes.
this is my first class actually,
Okay.
and
Okay.
if you can help me with the previous class recording so that I can follow.
Nothing has been happened. Nothing has been started. Okay. So don't
Okay.
worry at all. Okay. Don't worry at all, because today is the fourth session. Today only you have seen, right? You have to, I told you, right? Today just I started with installation. The previous is
Yes, sir.
nothing but like what is data? What is data visualization? Why do you require a data visualization? Like what are the different ways are there? What is a course curriculum? But no worries. I'll give you the recording videos also. For that, don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay,
nothing
sure.
has been happened. Even if you go through those videos also, nothing has been happened. Today only I just started with the installation, as you can see there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so
If you
downloading
want,
and installation done today.
oh,
So
that's
it's
done
like
today.
main starting point like this.
Main
Okay.
starting point. If you want
Yeah.
the recording videos also, don't worry. My backend team will send you a follow-up mail like this.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. In that you can see that if you want the videos, I'll give you now only. Meanwhile, anyhow, after the class. So I said that no, 3 classes has been happened. It is on
Sure,
the
sir.
8th, 9th, and the 10th. So I'll give you the link here now. Anyone, guys,
Yes,
who
sir.
has missed the last 3 classes, if you just want to get them, I have shared the link here now. You can just go through the link.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
I shared the link. Anyhow, my backend team also will share you those details.
Sure, sir.
Okay, fine. I've shared the links. This is on the first session on the 8th. This is second session on the 9th. This is a third session on the 10th. Okay, and today is the next session.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah. Yes, Joshi, for Power BI service, absolutely we require a company's email ID, but everyone does not have a company email IDs, right? Then for that, what we will do is we'll create one temporary accounts. We'll create it. I'll tell you how to create a temporary mails. Using the temporary mails, we can create them. Okay. So I'll show you how to create the temporary mail accounts, and using them, how to create them, how to create the Power BI service account. Okay. Fine. Right. Anyone, guys? Any more questions if you have? Right. Okay then. So that's it for the today's class, guys. What way I'm going to do is, just for today, I'm going to stop it here. So if anyone has joined for the today's session, guys, don't worry about that. Okay, because today only just we have started with this. This is going to be the one what we can see. So apart from that, the remaining is going to be very easy. So I have already shared the recording videos of the previous classes. So from tomorrow onwards, I'll start with importing of the data, guys. So please download the softwares, and 1 or 2 days it will take, guys, to start with your main concepts. So by the time if you download and install and make the software ready, I'll share you the data sets and all these things. You can start working with them, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class. And within 1 or 2 classes, we are going to start with our main classes, guys. Demos will be completing by today or tomorrow. My maximum by tomorrow will close up the demos. And if anyone has not yet registered for the course, so please register for the course, guys, to get the access for the videos and all the materials for the further classes. So just attend them. 1 or 2 classes, still we can attend them at a demos. And after that, we'll change the link for the paid. Only for the paid participants will get the link, guys. Within 1 or 2 days, we'll change them, guys. So if you are satisfied with the course content and with the whatever the lectures are delivered, so you can just go for the registration so that you can get the access to the recording videos and all the materials. We'll get the access, guys. Okay. So thanks for today, guys. Just for today, I'll stop it here. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class. Thanks all of you for today, guys.